I used to grow my mustard veggies on my flower tub and used to eat it all the year. This mustard seeds used to grow during only in winter and require a cold season, but if taken care it can be grown and eaten during summer season also. Though it is eaten as a veggie, but it can be eaten in a various type of ways, like mustard leaves are added to chicken dish, pork dish, added in salads, chutneys, and many other food items. In this video, I am showing a very simple mustard green dish. At first pluck some fresh mustard leaves. And wash it properly in running water. Now cook the mustard leaves in low steam without using any cooking oil. Add small amount of table salt for added taste. The mustard leaves should be half cooked only. After the mustard leaves are half cooked, take it out on a plate. Now cut small amount of onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, and coriander leaves. Cut all the items into small pieces. Dressing it with mustard oil. Serve it with rice. Enjoy it. Subscribe for more.